Hi guys, welcome to Vanilla Beanie's channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3-ingredient dog treat for your dog. I just repeated the same thing over and over again, but yes, that's what we're going to be making today. And if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe below, and make sure you share with everyone you know, guys. And without further ado, let's get in the video. Before you start combining all your ingredients together, you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And with your baking pan, you want to line it with parchment paper. In order to have your dog treat come out well, you would want to blend your oats in a blender or in a food processor. So you want to blend it until it's like a flour. But right here I have a large mixing bowl. This is 1½ cups of steel oats. Sorry guys. 1 1/2 banana and 1/2 cup of almond butter. So, and you see right here, I have a little dog cookie cutter so it can look, more cute. So I'm gonna go and blend this up and I'll be right back. I know you're probably wondering, where did the oats go? Well, as I said, I went and I blended the oats into a flour. And no, I did not switch it for another flour, but I went and put them in the blender and I blended it up probably about 30 seconds to a minute, and it came just like a flour. And now what you're going to do is you're going to now use the bananas and you're going to smash them now. So you can either use one of these or a fork. So this is, remember, this is 1 1/2 cup of bananas. So right here, and I'm going to put them in the bowl. And I feel like this one was more easier for me to do than the last time. So I'm going to use this to smash my bananas. And as you see, like, some of the banana got stuck in there, so you just want to get your fork and just like take all of that out. So it's okay, guys. Just want to use a fork, any small utensil you can use to get them out of there. And get as much as you can get out. So this is, smash. This is really good. I did a really good job. So we're gonna add our almond butter, which is right here. Can y'all see, guys? It's like right there. This is 1/2 cup of almond butter. So I'm also gonna use the fork to put it in here. So yes, get all of that in. It's okay if you get, that's why I'm wearing gloves, because I don't want to get my hands dirty, but if you just want to use your hands, just make sure you wash your hands before doing this. But this is a quick and easy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to like mix it with the banana, the smashed banana. So the almond butter and banana are combined really good. So now we're just gonna add the almond flour to our mixture. So just add it in. Wow. And just mix. If it's like crumbly and it's not really mixing well, I'm just gonna mix it a few more times. But if it's like crumbly and not mixing well, you can mix it up in the mixer. I have a mixer, so I could have done that, but I just want to do it by hand this time. But if it's crumbly and it's not like coming together, then you want to add a little bit more peanut butter or almond butter. because that's what's gonna help it stick together and come as a dough. So as I was continuing mixing in the larger bowl, it came just like this, just like a regular dough. It's kind of more stickier, but came just like regular dough, anything you make. So I cleaned the surface of my table, and what I'm gonna do is roll it out with my roller.
Rolling it out on the table did not work because it started to stick. So I decided to roll it out on the parchment paper and cut it out from there. So let's see if that works. So we have a
little bit of dough in here. I'm gonna do it with my hand. I feel like it's more easier to do. And this is really thin, guys, but it's okay. And then you wanna get your cutter right here. Get your cutter and cut it out. And then just take off the excess off it. Simple and easy, right? No, it's really easy. Comes and peels right off. That wasn't the best dog shape of treats ever, but that's how we do it, and let's do more. Done with the cookie treats, I'm now gonna put them in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then when you take them out, you want to let them sit and cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put them in the oven and I'll show you the results. These are how they came out. It made about 18. I gave them 2 off camera, but right now it's 16, and I'm gonna show you, and let's see. Alright guys, here's a piece of it right here. I broke it. He likes it, guys. Thanks for watching, and tune in for some more videos.